circumspect, commandeer, numbers.
What?
Hey Max. Max just looks like a black blob on the. He just looks like a pillow. Can't even see him.
Pillow.
Now you can see that it's a dog. Hey
Can I
Max.
try? Can I try?
Try.
Can I try?
What? There's a little. Okay. I thought there might be like a red button that you see when you're filming, but that's good that you don't see it. No, you just can look at the thing.
This
the
is
viewfinder.
my co-host.
And you can get some action shots of Mom cutting.
Cut.
No thanks.
Does this here?
Yeah.
Yay! Now it's full of battery. Ooh, look at that stuff. Yum, what is that? Oh, it's a carrot. Ooh. That's our tea kettle. It tastes good. Oh, maggots.